Who earns more? CA, ACCA, CFA, MBA? Now, this is one question of every student's mind when you're starting off, and rightly so, पूछना भी चाहिए. तो प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, हम इतने सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर्स की बात सुन लेते हैं सोशल मीडिया पे जो आपको सैलरी फिगर्स दिखाते हैं सबसे पहले बहुत मल्टीप्लायर इफेक्ट से, जो बहुत फार अवे फ्रॉम रियलिटी होता है. And secondly, what they generally do is they will pick the highest figure of somebody earning and say that everybody earns that, which is also wrong. And so many times the way it's portrayed as if everybody's life is like a bed of roses, okay? And only when reality hits you'll realize that all of this was just not up to the mark. तो फिर आपको किस तरह से सोचना चाहिए कि क्या कितना सैलरी आप अर्न कर सकते हो, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. ये 4 से 5 गोल्डन रूल्स जो मैं आपको बताऊंगा ना, ये कभी चेंज नहीं होते हैं. नंबर 1, आपको कभी कंपेयर करना है ना सैलरी, प्रॉबली यू कैन स्टिल कंपेयर द स्टार्ट सैलरीज ऑफ 2 चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स और MBAs or CFAs or ACCAs, but thereafter you can never compare salaries because 2 people can never have the same journey. So after your first stint or probably your first few stints, salaries are not comparable. Secondly, what you earn is not so much about your qualification, but it is a lot about your job role. But 2 people may actually be doing the same role, but they may be actually from 2 different qualifications. You may end up seeing a chartered accountant and maybe somebody who's done an MBA or an ACCA to do the same job and earn the same salary. And that may be a lot different from somebody else who's doing another job role. So it's about the job role and not just your qualification. Number 3, let's say आपको compare भी करना है, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अब अगर आप देखते हो कि एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है और लेट्स से चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट अर्न्स लेट्स से अ सैलरी ऑफ लेट्स से 8 to 10 lakh of rupees in a big city, okay? Now you can't compare that with somebody who's done an ACCA or a CFA without the experience. See, chartered accountants to be a CA, you have to do a mandatory articleship of 2 years. तो अगर आप एक ACCA के स्टार्टर के साथ कंपेयर करें तो ACCA मेंबर के लिए भी आपको 3 years of work एक्स लगता है. तो just comparing your salary with somebody who's finished ACCA 13 papers is not adequate. Compare it with somebody who's done 13 papers and 3 years of work experience. Or for that matter, if you're doing a CFA, you need to be a charter holder, you need to do 4,000 hours of work experience. So compare that after you've done your 4,000 hours of experience. And then you will see that whether a CFA, whether a CA, whether an ACCA, they almost end up in the same boat. अगर मैं एक MBA की बात करूं तो दैट इज अगेन डिपेंडेंट ऑन सो मेनी थिंग्स. आप कौन से भी स्कूल से पढ़ाई करते हैं, आप कितने इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस से पढ़ाई करते हैं, तो इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस और वर्क जो मैंडेटरी होता है क्वालिफिकेशन में, उसको जरूर देखें बिफोर यू डू एनी कंपैरिजन. Number 4, what you bring to table is not just your qualification. It's a world of your skills, your perspectives, your habits, your experiences. The world pays you for yourself as a package. And number 5, very importantly, remember pay parity does exist basis gender, basis geography. So make a noise, stand up for yourself.